Hi friends, in the previous video up to now we have seen how we can create the object using the function. Let's refresh that one again. So we have person and here I have empty function. So I will be writing this dot name is equal to Leela, so that we'll be having default things. This dot age is equal to 30 or something like that. Okay, now I will create where person is equal to new person. Okay, now for example I am, instead of creating person, I have something like John. Okay, I am creating one John. So John have a name like John dot name is equal to John, and John dot age is equal to 30. Okay, now I have another guy with name Joe is equal to new person again. Okay, now Joe dot age is equal to, you will have Joe, and Joe dot age is equal to, sorry, Joe dot name is equal to, and Joe dot age is 20. Let's assume. Okay, so now if I try to console.log John and Joe, if you see here John, and if you console.log and Joe, if you try to print here the output, sorry, for example, what is the error we got? Okay, how we have written it. And if I try to print the Joe here, if I check the output, we got object 30 and 20 Joe, fine, perfect, what we have expected, we got the output. But here if you see here, we are unable to use the blueprint of the function. Okay, this dot name is equal to Leela and this dot default values, we are not able to use this one. So in case of scenarios, if you are having these type of scenarios, you can pass, it would be better if you pass the parameters to into this one, so that you can make use of this blueprint. So we can pass the arguments to the function person, just like the functions how we are passing. So now I can use here name and also age, so that I can remove these all the things and I can directly pass the John and age as 30, and here also I can pass the Joe and age as 23 or something like that. Okay, if I try to check again the output, I got the same output, same. So this is how we can send the parameters as an arguments to the function also to create an object. So these are the different ways of creating an object in the JavaScript. Up to now, as a refresh, we will check. Up to now, we have seen 4 types of creating an object used in JavaScript. So first version is nothing but where person is equal to, here you will be having name as Leela and the age as 30 or something like that. And here if you try to print the console.log person, just I will try to print the console.log person. Okay, if I check here person, we got an object. This is the literal way of, simple way of creating a person, and this person will have a prototype chaining parent of object. If you check it is an instance of object or not, if you check here, you try to check here, we will get true. That means it is an instance of the object. If I try to check person dot toString, I can be able to use the prototypes of the object. Okay, I got the output here. Now another way of representing is nothing but what we did is, so common way how we have created using new method, new keyword, using the person, for person we have created new, right? So we are creating same thing like this only. So person dot name you can have as Leela. I will write only the name. And here if you try to check the person dot toString, again you will be able to use the prototype features of the object. And if you check here person is an instance of object or not, you can check and you will be able to get the true. Okay, and another method is object dot create of null. So you are here, you are passing null means, so no, so you are not defining any prototypes. If you want to define any prototypes, you can define it there. Now if I create person dot name is equal to Leela, so now we will check here whether the person is an instance of object or not. So if you give it is a false, so that means object dot create is a way of creating an object which doesn't have no prototypes. You need to define your own prototypes. So if I check with the person dot toString, if I try to check here, I will be able to get an error that person dot toString is not a function. So that means this person, you can able to create your own prototypes instead of, so object will not be inherited into this prototype. Now another way is, as you already know, up to now we have seen in the previously, function person. Okay, I will be creating like this, and person we will be having new person, and I will be creating, and we will be able to check, and we will check person dot toString will work or not. So person dot toString will work here also. That means, so the object which was created using the function also inherits the object, main object. So if we check here, person is an instance of object or not. If we check here, you will be able to get the output as true. Okay, so that means only the object dot create will create a object with no prototypes. So you need to define your own prototypes, and remaining all objects will be created having the object as the main parent. Okay, so this function person is useful when you want to create a blueprint, something like instances and all those things. It will be very useful. So these are the different ways of creating an object in the JavaScript. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.